Hi, welcome to my journey. This is Miss Carr, and I am inviting you to learn with me. Are you ready? Let's go! Hello! Today we will solve some word problems that we can apply our skills and knowledge about multiplying fractions in real life scenarios. Okay? Fernando opened a pizza box. Inside, there was three-fourths of a pizza. Fernando ate one half of what was remaining. How much of a pizza did Fernando eat? Okay, so hahanapin natin kung ano yung fraction ng kabuuan na kinain ni Fernando. Okay? So, yung natira daw is three-fourths and yung kinain niya dun sa natira is one-half. Okay? So, we will multiply the fractions. So, three-fourths times one-half. So, when we multiply, we will just multiply their numerator and then the denominator. So, 3 times 1, that's 3. 4 times 2, that's 8. So, the answer is 3/8. So, yan yung fraction ng kabuuan na kinain ni Fernando. Okay? So, kung gagamitin natin yung illustration, so, this is the whole um, part or whole pizza na kinuhanan ni Fernando. Okay? So, three-fourth, ibig sabihin, itong three-fourth na to, ito yung natirang pizza. Okay? And then, kinain niya yung one-half nito. So, hinati mo yung three-fourth. So, ito yung kinain ni Fernando. So, the whole fraction dun sa buong kinainan ni Fernando is 3 out of 8. Alright? About 3/5 of the students in ABC High School are in grade 7 and 8. About 7/8 of these students are girls. What fraction of the students in the school are girls in grade 7 and 8? Okay, so ang hahanapin natin is kung ano yung fraction ng girls sa buong ABC High School. Okay? So, ang sabi dyan, sa buong ABC High School, 3/5 nun ay grade 7 and 8. And then sa grade 7 and 8, 7 out of 8 daw doon ay girls. Pero ang hinahanap natin is yung fraction ng girls sa buong high school. Okay? Hindi sa grade 7 and 8. Okay? So, we need to do multiplication. So, if we multiply 3/5 and 7/8, that is 21/40. So, ito yung fraction ng girls sa buong ABC High School. Okay? So, if we use illustration, so imagine this is the 3/5. So, hinati natin sa 5. Okay? And then 3 shaded parts. Alright? And then, kinuha natin yung 7/8 nung 3/5. Okay? So, hinati natin to sa 8 parts. Alright? And, ang kinuha lang natin is 7 parts. Hindi yung buong 8 na hinati natin. So, ito yung 7/8. Okay? So, dahil sa isang whole, dapat pare-parehas yung parts niya or sizes. So, kung hinati na ito, hinati na rin natin to. So, kaya hinati ko na rin siya dito. Okay? So, kung bibilangin mo yung total parts niya, that's 40. And ito yung 7/8. Alright? Nung 3/5. So, sa kabuuan, ito ngayon ay 21/40. So, ito ngayon yung parts ng girls sa buong ABC High School. Marian is preparing a recipe that calls for 2/5 of a cup of oil per serving. If Marian needs to prepare 2 and 3/4 servings, how many cups of oil will she need? Okay, so ang hanapin natin is yung total cups of oil na kailangan ni Marian para makapag-prepare siya ng 2 and 3/4 servings. Kung kada serving daw, kailangan ng 2/5 of a cup of oil. Okay, so what we need to do is to multiply them. So 2/5 times 2 and 3/4. So we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, and that is 11/4. Then we'll just multiply their numerator and denominator. So we have 22/20, and to simplify that, that is 1 and 2/20, and or 1 and 1/10. Okay, so Marian needs to have 1 and 1/10 cups of oil. Francis opened a pizza box. Inside there was 1/4 of a pizza. Francis ate 1/2 of what was remaining. How much of a pizza did Francis eat? Okay, so ang hinahanap is ilan yung fraction ng pizza na kinain ni Francis sa kabuuan. Okay? So sabi dito, may natira na 1/4 ng pizza and then kinain ni Francis yung kalahati nun. Alright? Pero yung hinahanap is yung fraction na kinain ni Francis sa buong pizza. Alright? So we will multiply them. So 1/4 times 1/8, that is 1/4 times 1/2, that's 1/8. So, ito yung fraction ng pizza na kinain ni Francis sa buong pizza. Okay? So, sa illustration, imagine this is the whole pizza. Alright? So, hinati sa 4, so 1/4 yung natira. And then, kinain niya yung kalahati ng 1/4. So, in short, ito na ngayon yung kinain niya. So, again, hinati ko yung isa ng kalahati. So, dahil as a whole, dapat hatiin ko din yung the rest. So, naging 8 parts at ito yung kinain ni Francis. So, 1/8 ng kabuuan yung kinain niya. There was 3/4 of a pie left in the fridge. Vince ate 1/3 of the leftover pie. How much of a pie did he have? Okay, so what we need to find out is kung ano yung fraction nung pie na nakuha ni Vince dun sa kabuuan. Okay? So, sabi dyan, merong 3/4 na pie dun sa fridge na natira, okay? So, ibig sabihin, hindi ito yung buong pie. 3/4 yung natira. And yung natirang 3/4, kumuha siya dyan ng 1/3 at kinain niya. So, ang tanong, ano yung fraction sa buong pie yung nakuha niya or nakain niya? Okay? So, we will multiply the fraction to answer that. And 3/4 times 1/3, that is 3/12 or 1/4. Okay? So, kung gagamit tayo ng illustration, just imagine this. This is the whole pie. Okay? And then, hinati ko sa 4, tas ito yung 3/4. Ibig sabihin, ito yung natira at nandun sa fridge. Alright? So, since 1/3 daw nung natira yung kinain niya, so hinati ko sa 3. And then, 1/3 lang. Diba? So, ito lang yung kinain ni Vince. Alright? So, since hinati ko sa 3 to, so hatiin ko na rin yung last. So, hinati ko na dito. So, naging 12 parts siya. And then, 3 shaded or 3 parts yung nakain ni Vince. So, sa kabuuan, out of the whole pie, 3/12 yung nakuha niya or nakain niya. Or to simplify, 1/4. So, 1/4, diba, pag hinati mo siya sa 4, ito lang naman yung 1. So, pwede ring 1/4 or just 3/12. Okay? Aliana took out 8 glasses and poured juice from the pitcher. The capacity of each glass is 4/10 liter. If there was enough juice for 6 glasses, how much juice was there? Okay, so hanapin natin kung ilan yung liter nung juice. Okay? Kasi, ang sabi dyan, napuno niya lang yung 6 glasses. And each glass, ang kayang malagyan is 4/10 liter. Okay? So, what we need to do is to multiply the 4/10 liter dun sa 6 glasses. Alright? So, again, when we multiply fractions, we can do it like this. Diba whole number siya? So, over 1. So, then multiply mo yung numerator and denominator, and the answer is 24/10. And to make that in improper fraction, that is 2 and 2/5. Okay? So, kung gagawin natin siya na dahil tinimes lang naman natin sa 6, so ibig sabihin, i-add lang natin yung 4/10 ng 6 na beses. Okay? So, again, if we add similar fractions, ang gagawin lang natin is i-add lang yung numerator, diba? So, if we do that, 24/10. And then, same lang yung sagot natin dito kanina. Okay? And to simplify the 24/10, pwedeng 2 and 4/10, or yung 4/10, pwedeng palitin at gawing 2/5. Okay? So, the answer in our question is the juice is 2 and 2/5 liter. Angela baked some cupcakes for her friends. She baked 24 cupcakes. Each cupcake is 2/13 pounds. If she packed 6 cupcakes in each box, what is the weight of each box? Alright, so ang hanapin natin is yung weight ng kada box, okay? Kung ang bawat cupcake, ang weight niya is 2/13 pound, at ang nilagay niya sa bawat box is 6 cupcakes, so imumultiply natin yung weight at saka yung bilang ng cupcakes, okay? So, 2/13 times 6. So, times 6, ibig sabihin, we just need to add 2 over 13 ng 6 na beses. Okay? So, we just need to add their numerator. So, we have 12 over 13. So, that is the total pounds nung weight ng isang box. Okay? Or ng 6 na cupcakes. Now, if we do the other way, so dahil whole number siya, so ang denominator niyo is 1. So we can just multiply their numerator and denominator and we'll get the same answer. 12 over 13 pounds per box. Angelette and 4 friends went trick or treat. Each of them got 3 over 5 of a bag of treats. How many bags of treats did they have in total? Okay. So hanapin natin yung total bags of treat na nakuha ni Angelet at saka ng 4 na kaibigan niya. Kung ang bawat isa, nakakuha sila ng 3 over 5 of a bag of treats. Okay? So, i-multiply natin yung nakuha ng bawat isa na 3 over 5 dun sa 5. Kasi si Angelet tsaka yung 4 na kaibigan niya. Okay? Para malaman natin yung total. So, 3/5 times 5. So, pwede natin i-add lang yung 3/5 na 5 beses and that is 15 over 5. Or to simplify, that is 3 bags. Okay? Or let's do it another way. So, yung 5 magiging 5 over 1. So, we'll multiply the numerator and denominator and we'll get the same answer, 15 over 5 or just 3 bags. Okay? Ian drinks 3 over 7 of a carton of milk each day. How much milk does he drinks in 4 days? Okay, so hanapin natin yung total ng nainom ni Ian in 4 days. Okay? Kasi bawat araw ang naiinom niya daw is 3 over 7 of a carton ng gatas. So, mumultiply natin yung 3 over 7 sa 4 days. Alright? So, if we do that, we can just add 3 over 7 ng 4 na beses and we'll get 12 over 7 or 1 and 5 over 7. Okay? Or we can just multiply it sa 4 over 1 and then we'll get the same answer na 12 over 7 or 1 and 5 over 7. Okay? There are 7 water bottles and each bottle is 3 over 8 filled with water. If we pour all the water together, how many water bottles can be filled up? Okay, so ang aalamin natin is ilan yung bote na malalagyan na puno. Okay? So, ang nangyari, merong 7 water bottles. Okay? Pero yung laman na tubig nun is 3/8 lang. Hindi puno. So, ang ginawa, tinanggal mula sa bote yung tubig and ilalagay siya ulit sa bote pero this time pupunuin na yung bote. So, tanong, ilang bote yung mapupuno? Gamit yung tubig dun sa 7 water bottles na merong laman na 3 over 8 lang. Okay? So, what we need to do is to multiply 3 over 8 and 7. Okay? So, we can do that. I-add natin yung 3 over 8 ng 7 na beses and the answer is 21 over 8 or 2 and 5 over 8. Okay? Or we can just simply multiply this one and yung whole number magiging 7 over 1 and we get the same answer, 21 over 8 or 2 and 5 over 8. So, ibig sabihin, kung ilalagay natin ulit yung tubig sa bottles at pupunuin natin yun, mapupuno natin yung 2 bote and isa pa pero hindi siya puno kasi 5 over 8 lang yung nalagyan. Okay? So basically to answer the question, 2 bote yung napuno natin. Gamit yung tubig dun sa 7 water bottles na may lamang 3 over 8 filled of water. Okay? And meron pang 5 over 8. Okay? If each dozen cookies needs 4 over 9 of a bag of flour to make, how many bags of flour does Grandma needs to buy if she is making 20 dozen cookies? Okay, so ang hanapin natin is ilan daw bags ng flour ang kailangan ni Grandma kung gagawa siya ng 20 dozen cookies. Sabi dito, kada isang dosena ng cookies kailangan ng 4/9 of a bag of flour. So, ang gagawin natin, i-multiply natin yung 4 over 9 na flour sa bawat cookies dun sa 20 dozen na lulutuin ni Grandma. Okay? So, 4 over 9 times 20 and you just need to make 20 over 1. So, that is 8 over 9 or just 8 and 8 over 9. Okay? So, ito yung bags ng flour na kailangan ni Grandma if she want to make 20 dozen cookies. Okay? Practice time. So guys, I want you to solve or answer again the word problems na sinagutan natin kanina, and I want you to do it on your own for you to check kung mas madali na sa inyo mag-multiply ng fractions. This is to see kung kaya nyo nang ma-apply yung multiplying fraction or multiplication of fractions in real life scenario. Okay? So, if in any case na medyo nahirapan pa kayo dun sa concept or bakit kailangan i-multiply yung numerator at denominator, I would suggest that panoorin nyo yung previous video tungkol sa pag-multiply ng fractions. Okay?